Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, what a day it is today, and I have a surprise concerning Sir Richard Branson. More information about that coming up later. But right now, we are down again today. The studio is red, looking painful again today. Let's have a look at our positions. Let's get straight into it. Here we go, and we're looking at Virgin Galactic today, which is now down at 167. Let's see our overall position. We're beating Berkshire Hathaway this morning, Warren Buffett, just below the S&P. At the moment, let's bring all the links you need on the screen. Okay, let's go through our positions. Berkshire going down quite a bit at the moment. I'm in red. There's my overall position on my Roth IRA. I'm ahead of Berkshire, and I think just coming up to beating the S&P as well. That's interesting. What's moving this morning? What are we seeing in the markets? And let's have a look. Virgin Galactic is down to 167. PLTR is down, but moving up slowly. Gold is down. The S&P is down. Amazon is down today, but we're still up on it considerably. Apple, we're just holding our position. NEE, we've been adding more. Down on my Roth IRA and down 10% on my main account. Good dividends, though. Enphase, just 3.69 to go. Let's read some of these comments here. T.O. Roll, hey everyone. Good morning, Zach from Uganda. How are you? Lovely to see you here. Absolutely wonderful to see you here. Let's hope you don't drop below 50,000. Wasn't too long ago, you were at 58, actually. 58 was my all-time high. I would have been over 60,000 if I hadn't taken the $4,000 out for the computer. But 58,000 was my all-time high. So anyway, I have some information to share shortly regarding Sir Richard Branson and some good news with Sir Richard Branson, and you'll be hearing of that later on. Does it look like the start of the new bear market? Well, we have said that I said the bull market started in December. We had a really good rally. Things really picked up. We made like 25% up to like the beginning of September. And then September is typically a bad month. And then December, we've got sell-off because it's tax season. And that's essentially what's happening now. We've said the markets would go sideways now. Not going to see any growth, but this is a time to build up cash. But also, if the market is going sideways, to then buy the dips if they come in the stable companies. That's really what we're doing now. We're preparing for the next run, which will start in January, in my opinion. Hey, Zach, says Bill. Sensei, good morning to Sensei. Good morning, says Bill and Zach. Lovely to see you all. Hi, Dominic and Tio. Hi, Alert. Hello, Faith. Lovely to see you here. Happy Tuesday. Indeed it is. Let's go for all our positions. Coca-Cola, now 56.90. Massively undervalued right now. Where is the money going? It's interesting, isn't it? Follow the money. Where is the money going out of Coca-Cola? Where is it going? It's a transference of patient to the inpatient, or inpatient to the patient, rather. I keep buying more of this. For me, it's one of the best run companies in the world, and I want to keep buying it on the way down. Thought I heard a funny noise. Just bear with me. Let me go back to the studio. I thought I heard a funny noise in the studio. Let me have a quick look. All right. Yeah, I thought so. We got some issues at the minute that I don't know how to fix. Bear with me. I have a technical issue. I don't know if it's a cable or a port on the back of my Mac Studio. I certainly hope it's a cable, but I'm going to have to get to the bottom of it. Trying to... mice. No, on the back of my Mac Studio, I have an output of a HDMI cable to my monitor, one of my monitors at the back of the studio over the piano, and it keeps sort of flickering and going on and off. And I can't work out whether it's the cable or whether it's the port on my computer, because it tends to do it when I first turn the computer on. Later on, it doesn't tend to do it. It's when you first start it up. It's kind of weird. So which makes me think it's to do with even potentially software, which is a concern, or perhaps a dodgy socket. I don't know. Anyway, I've got to get to the bottom of it. I've been trying to avoid taking care of it for a while, but I'm going to have to sort of... It's getting worse, I think. Anyway, no gremlins, no mice. No, we're all good. CGC having a little run this morning. Nonny, thank you very much indeed. Is a man from Earth here this morning? We've got a special today. A man from Earth. I'm going to do something for him today. He's sponsoring the bell. If he's here. If he's not here, I will put it off till tomorrow. But hopefully he's in today. Anyway, if you've just tuned in, today's show is going to be a shorter show because I've got some information that I want to share from Sir Richard Branson, and I'm going to put the information together for a video coming out later today. In fact, as soon as I finish this morning. So we want to get into the bell, get into the first 15 minutes, and then end so I can get it all put together. So anyway... Virgin Galactic down 119. So we're down at 166 now. Palantir, gold, the S&P, Amazon, Apple, NextEra Energy, Enphase, excuse me, slowly getting our money back. So the question is now, what, shorter? So not 10 hours a day? Oh no. Yeah, I've been doing too many live shows. I keep saying I'm going to take a break, and I'll be here sort of like 10:30, 11 o'clock. Then I'm back at 2. Anyway. And then I'll be doing the show afterwards, and then oh, man. Yeah. It's getting crazy. Anyway, let's have a quick look at Safety Shot. Now, I would have covered the earnings. It was an earnings for Safety Shot this morning. We know that we have people that are interested in that stock. It reported this morning, and we can see it actually beat on earnings. As you can see, earnings is going up, making more money. I didn't cover the earnings. I didn't get much request for it, but there's a few people are interested in it. We just didn't cover it this time. Get more interested in it, and then I will. Anyway, good morning. What, shorter? So not 10 hours a day, Keaton S. Let's have a look. Good morning, everyone. Good morning to you. Can you now compare SPCE and XBI Biotech ETF on the 1-year chart? This is an idea to illustrate similarities across different sectors. Let's have a look. XBI, okay. XBI Biotech. Let's have a look. ETF. Do you mean this one? SPDR and S&P Biotech ETF over the 1 year. Is that the one you want me to look at? XBI Biotech ETF. Yeah, on the 1 year chart. Okay, Looking at the 1 year chart, let me drag that across to there then. Let's have a look. On the 1 year, let's have a look. It's down 65%. What? It's not really the same. What do you mean by that? I mean, similarities, I suppose, but very different asset. You can't really compare them. That ETF is down 4.9%. Virgin Galactic down 65%. Obviously, Virgin Galactic is a single stock. This is an ETF. What is the question, T.O. I don't really see much connection. I mean, yeah, you got the dip here, but then that came across most stocks, and then the runaway from June. So yeah, I mean, there is some similarities, I suppose. What is your question? What did you want to illustrate? Martyn Lucas Clips in the works. Sensei's working on a Clips channel to accompany his Sunday show. Looking forward to that, seeing what he does there. Both depend on liquidity. Hi, Tio. Something we can definitely look into further on Sunday. I can overlay. Also, I agree. Both depend on liquidity. That doesn't exist now. Sensei. Okay, well, that's good. Tio Roll, looks like you've sparked the discussion for Sunday. So on Sunday, looks like Sensei is going to add that to his program. That'll be interesting. I'll take a listen to that. There you go. So we've just brought it to Sensei's attention. The 1 year chart for S&P Biotech compared to Virgin Galactic. And looks like Sensei is going to cover that on Sunday. So if you're interested in the correlation between these two charts and you want to talk about liquidity, that looks like one of the subjects on Sunday's show. Let me give everybody the link for the Sunday show. It's a brand new show. It started on Sunday. We've got this one here on the upcoming live streams. Scroll across. There it is. If I give everyone the link now, I'm going to do it. I'm going to put like, ready to go. I'm going to leave a comment. Hi, Sensei. Okay. So if you want the link for this, I'll give it to you now. The Sunday show, and learn all about liquidity and the price comparisons of those two charts. There you go. I'll give it you 3 times in the chat so you can see it. Let me drop into Rumble. Give it to my Rumblers as well. So if you want to join Sensei on Sunday for this conversation, there it is in the chat. I've just given it to my Rumblers. And go there now. Leave a question. If you go into the chat, actually, on this video, you can leave your questions, subjects, charts that you might like Sensei to discuss for you on Sunday. So there you go. Thank you, Tio Roll. Looks like you've sparked something there. Very nice indeed. Morning from sunny Florida. Now, if you've just tuned in, today's show is going to be shorter because I am preparing a video with an interview with Sir Richard Branson where he talks about Virgin Galactic. Interesting. And I'm going to put it together for you coming up today. All right? Excuse me. Good afternoon all. Henrik. STKH. Not looking too good this morning. We got in it yesterday, didn't we? Here he is, a man from Earth. I was looking for you. Well, today, a man from Earth, I'm glad you're here. If you decide to do a $10 super chat, you can sponsor the Sensei bell for the day, which means in the opening bell and the closing bell, you will get your logo and your name on the bell. But today, a little bit special because there's something I want to highlight for all of you. Man from Earth gave me a $10 super chat, so he's sponsoring the bell this morning. This company is Coup de Kill, and they do certain apparel. And there is a 10% off a vacation. Excuse me. You get 10% off products on their services and a free vacation incentive in Florida. So let me share with you. This is the link. Going to give it to you. We're also going to ring the bell this morning. Coup de Kill is going to ring the bell. If you want to take a look at this for all our members, all our viewers, this has been provided by one of our members, a man from Earth. If you go and check this website out here, it does apparel with their logo and so on. But if you use this promotional code here, it's vacation 2024 to buy Florida water apparel, get 10% off and free vacation incentive to Florida. So if you want to go and check out this apparel, you can see all of this. And if you like all that and you get this free vacation incentive to Florida, go and check it out. I'll give you the link in the chat again. Here it is one more time. This is our sponsor of the bell this morning. All right. Thank you ever so much indeed. A man from Earth. Thanks for sponsoring the bell. You too can get that $10 super chat. Sponsor the bell. All right. That's coming up in a few minutes time, just over half an hour. Now then, Virgin Galactic today is down again, 167. Palantir down, gold trying to come up, S&P is down, Amazon down, Apple down, NEE up today slightly, Enphase Energy trying to come up, just 3.69. I've been buying the dips all the way down. Coca-Cola is now at 56. Any prediction when we see Coca-Cola hitting bottoms? Anyone got any idea at all? I cannot believe that this company can keep being sold off. Anyway, it is. Good morning, everyone. A man from Earth. Okay, thanks. Let's see how much Sensei it makes upon further review. All right. Sensei Crypto will join if I can. Was about to join Sunday just on travels. Don't forget, you can always watch the replay. If you miss any live event and it's specific you want to watch it, all you've got to do is go to the homepage of the channel. Let me show. Oh, we've got 4 likes already. That's very good. If you scroll down here, you've got upcoming live streams, which is where Sensei's show is, or all the shows are. And then you scroll a bit further, and I've put down here past live streams. So you can go and watch last Sunday's show if you want to. This sort of show is actually quite relevant. It's not like my stuff is very much on the now. Tomorrow it's not as interesting, even though people watch my shows later on during the day who can't watch it live in different time zones. Sensei does information that's evergreen, if you like. He's doing chart analysis and all that kind of stuff on different stocks and discussing different things. So there you go. Very, very, very interesting stuff. Okay, thanks, Martin. You are very, very welcome. I've got you on the bell, ready to rock and roll. All right. Virgin Galactic. No, oh, by the way, it would be really, really helpful just to support our members. Remember, we always support our members. Go and support just by going on this website, just having a little look. Even if you don't want to buy any apparel, if we get everybody click on this link today, it will rank up a Man from Earth's website. So even if you think I'm not interested, I don't want a free an incentive for a free vacation in Florida. I'm not interested in that. I'm not interested in a t-shirt. I don't want to buy any apparel. That's all fine. But it really helps our member if everyone at least clicks on his website just for a moment, even if you don't want to buy anything. If he gets that amount of traffic on his website, it will rank up his website and help it be discovered. So it really, really helps if you just support our member by clicking on it. If he gets lots of traffic today, then it will help him rank up on Google. So even if you're not interested, just click on it and support our members. Remember, the day will come when you will have something that you want us to promote and you'll want everyone to take a look at it. Even if it's not of interest to you, we all support each other and help each other out, right? It's very, very important. Now then, I am looking, there's a few things I want to sell today, hopefully. I've got all my day trades in place again. CVX is 5% to go. I want to get back into Tesla. Any time now is good. 6% cheaper. I sold the majority of my Tesla at a 28% profit. We're now back at 22%. So if I buy it back now, I've saved 6%, right? Now you might say, but you've paid more for it than you did originally. Yes, but I've got the profit to buy it, right? I made the profit to buy it. So even though my average will go up and it'll look like I've got less baked in profit, I've already taken that profit. So, but if you buy a stock at zero and it goes up 28%, and then you buy it back at 22%, you've saved 6%. You're better off doing that. That's the purpose of trading. But what you don't want to do is obviously get back up above 28%. That's what you don't want to do. So anytime now is good. However, I've got the money invested on other things. I want to get some money out of CVX. I'd like to sell my oil, but I have at least got to get my money back. And I've made some profit because I've had the dividend payouts now, but I'm still 5% down. And remember, the dividends have I've had them, even though I've not added them to the account. Chevron, I've put them in something else. I've had that money, so even though I've not auto applied those dividends, I've actually had that money. It doesn't calculate that in your percentage, because what it does, it just gives you it just buys in. It doesn't give you like a free. It doesn't increase your profit. Okay, the profit's there, but you've not. It doesn't show like that. So anyway, so there's a bit of money there, but I do want to start buying. I do want to start selling that, but I would like to make a 5 to 10% profit on it. I think that's doable by the end of the year, but I would like to get rid of it anyway, and then use that money even now to buy Tesla. Ideally, for it to go lower, but I don't mind. I don't mind if I pay more, because at the end of the day, I still had that profit baked in. I've saved a little bit because ultimately I believe Tesla's going up. So I don't mind, but I don't want to miss out on the next report, which is coming out in about a week's time. Rivian, McDonald's, Google, Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco, Tilray, Robinhood, IonQ, Rocket Lab, again, I want a 5% profit. Not a great deal, but I'd like to make a 5 to 10% profit on Rocket Lab. I bought this dip. I think it's worth doing. Also, I bought Plug. Doubled my position. 6% down. Just logged in. Any news? Yes, quite a bit we've been talking about so far this morning. Something that's we're reviewing Virgin Galactic liquidity compared to an ETF that we were just talking about on Sensei's show on Sunday. Here is the link for it, and it was requested by T.O. Roll. Here's the link for the Sunday show if you want to go and leave a comment, and in the live chat, you can put anything that you'd like Sensei to cover on the show. T.O. Roll has requested a liquidity comparison to an ETF. Excuse me. So you can do that. But also, today's show, we're going to end earlier, even though I say that every day and I never get off. Today I'm going to, because I'm putting together an interview with Sir Richard Branson that I want to share with you for Virgin Galactic investors. So I guess another down day for space. So yeah, I'm going to put that out later on this morning. Gold, S&P. Let me welcome our guest this morning on Rumble. We've got a nice audience this morning. I wonder how everybody on Rumble liked my video about Rumble yesterday. I've got 19 now. I think 21, 22 is my record on Rumble. Let's see if I'm back on the homepage. I talked about how I felt that Rumble had some corruption with the way it promotes its channels. Let's have a look. I'm not on the live right now. Let's scroll down to finance. I'm normally on the top couple. There you go, number 2 again today. I was taken off yesterday after I started saying negative things about Rumble, and it was very interesting. I wonder what everyone thought. If you've not yet seen, I want to share with you the video. Maybe you'd like to go and have a look. This is the video. It might actually be on Rumble now. Actually, this was the video I put out. Rumble proof how it's manipulated if you say the wrong thing. I actually proved it, and also showed you that Rumble, in my opinion, its stock is going to zero. I explained why I thought that in this interview here, this video here. Now let me check for a minute. Let me just have a quick look. It might actually be on Rumble. There's an auto feature which enables you to put videos on. Let me have a look. Let me go to Rumble right now. See if it's appeared. No. Oh, yes, it has. Yes, it has. There you go. So on Rumble, it has appeared now. Very, very good. Okay, so there's a couple of videos here that my Rumblers might find interesting. There's Virgin Galactic, there's Tesla, Enphase, and there's the 2 Rumble videos. They've not had any views yet. It's just auto-posted. It's a new feature that allows you to auto-post. So go and check that out, and you might find that interesting. All right? Anyway, I'd be interested to know what my Rumble audience think of that. Again, if you've followed my show, you will know that my most important thing is to be 100% honest. No one can buy my opinion. I don't say I don't go live to make money. If they take ads off me, like Russell Brand had happen, and he moved from YouTube and all this stuff, I don't care. I am always going to tell you the truth, whether they pay me, whether they don't. That's not my incentive. I actually was quite disgusted, if you like, by Russell Brand saying that I'm being censored and so on and so forth. And he is going through a serious accusation as well, remember. But he said, I'm not going to be on YouTube because they're censoring me. What he really meant was they're not giving me the ad revenue. Apparently we've had information that the ads are being run, but he's just not benefiting from it. And I know what that's like. On my music channel, there are ads running, but I don't make the money because it goes to the copyright owners of the songs I sing. That's right, okay? But do I not make videos? No, I still make videos because for me, it's about communicating with my audience, not how much money I can get. And Russell Brand has always said it's about free speech and being there for my followers. But the moment he's not getting paid, he ain't doing it. All right, he's moved over to Rumble. And now he's on Rumble. Again, the ad revenue is being restricted because they, even though they say it's free speech, they don't want him to benefit financially because of what's going on in his personal life right now. So I'll be interested to see if he actually wants to, if he's still going to be on, if he's not getting paid. Because I've did it for 1.5 years, still don't get any money on Rumble. But I'm live every day, always telling you the truth. I don't do what Matt Kors does and promotes Rumble stock because I don't think it's a good stock. I don't think it is. The platform's great, and I've now got my record audience, which is kind of strange this morning. Thank you very much indeed. 23. This is my record audience. 24. Blimey. I don't know what's going on. This is my record audience on Rumble this morning. 24. But I am not doing it for the money. I will never do it for the money. I do it for every single person behind those numbers. I believe people today, more than ever, want a place they can go which is honest, real emotion, real facts. This is my financial journey shared with all of you. And let's just have a look at Rumble stock this morning. I have made the commitment to everybody that I will always be live, always be here. It's not about how much money I get because I don't get anything. I mean, I've earned $36 in 6 months on Rumble. That's it. But I'll always be live and always bring you the information. Rumble today, so it's up slightly. No, I sold it yesterday at a loss. I decided I didn't want any more to do with it. It doesn't make any sense. I remember the earnings report. Here is the earnings report. They made that out to be a good earnings. Chris Pavlovsky, I've spoken to directly on my X account, was telling me how to use the platform and so on. And they, on the earnings call, which we covered, they try to spin that as a great result. And I don't know. And I've had other people say it was a great result. And I'm going, no, it wasn't. It was their worst result ever. And it was basically a commercial to advertise Rumble. So I've said I don't believe in the stock because it's all about protesting and who shouts the loudest, and I don't think it's a good business model. And I got some feedback yesterday from people that watched my video that actually, after they listened to my argument and my point of view, actually agreed with me, which is nice. It's not there. It's not there for you to agree with. It's just there to present my point of view. But everyone can phone in. Unlike Russell Brand, unlike Donald Trump channels that are on Rumble. Everyone can phone in. It's not about me. It's about the audience. Every one of you can phone in right now. My members on YouTube, we have access to every single person to phone in. Now, I say members on YouTube because we want to make sure that you're a real person. You're not underage. You're not a bot. You're not a scammer. You're not coming on to shout and swear. So it's YouTube members. But anyone can become a YouTube member. It's only a couple of bucks a month. And that money isn't to make me rich. That just supports the channel so I can go live up to 10 hours a day. But then I give you access to Discord and you can phone in. Anyway, anyone can have a voice on this channel. Anyone. And whether I make money from it or not or whatever. Anyway, welcome to all of my rumblers this morning. I am deeply rumbled and humbled by having so many. That is my all-time best view, I have to say. So what I'd like to do is invite you to tap the follow. If you want to follow me there, you can. I'm on lovely to see you this morning. I'm on YouTube at the same time. But thanks for all the follows. I see it going up quite quickly right now, which is really, really nice. Thank you very much. Anyway, let's read some of these comments. What do you think is a good entry point for Tesla? Well, look, I am not trying to time the market. I honestly, I'm not. I'm looking at buying the company, not the share price. I believe, so I should rephrase that. I don't know anything. I believe that Tesla is a 4, 6, 10x in 10 years, 6 or 10 years. I believe that. So it doesn't matter whether I pay $240 for it, $230, $200, $180. Of course, you want to get as little as possible. But well, my average is $198. So am I going to get it down to $198 again? Well, there's a possibility, and every possibility, it could drop to $100. We've discussed that on the show. We've had technical analysis to back that up. Fundamentals to back that up. Absolutely could go to $100. However, it might not go there. What would you rather do? Wait to buy it at 100, ultimately to get to, say, let's say 1,000 if it 4x's, okay? Let's say you buy at 100 because you want to get to 1,000. If you get to 100 and it goes to 1,000, you've 10x'd. Fantastic. What if it doesn't go to 100, stays here, and you bought here? You'd still have a 4x at 1,000. It's still going to 1,000. So for me, I don't mind. It's a company I want to own. It's a company I want to make money from. And I've had up to 22 and a half shares of it. I'm now down to 5 plus 3, 4. I'm down to 9. So I've halved my position. Overall, I've halved it. And I want to get back in because it's the one part of my portfolio that I can rely on. That with the S&P, it does consistently well, even though we're trending down right now. So, but as I say, I know exactly what I want to do. I want to get back in at any point now because I've baked in the 28% profit. Now buying it back at 2, I've saved 6%, right? Anyway, Virgin Galactic is down today. Again, now we've seen some barcoding yesterday. Did everyone see that? Barcoding's algo trading is being displayed, which means the only people who are trading it now are computers. They're doing it to try and get out and lower their positions. That's not good. That's potentially that was what started to happen with Virgin Orbit. There's a 40% chance, in my opinion, that Virgin Galactic could go bust. And that could start to increase, but that's where we are right now. What views on Imperial Brands PLC? Looking at that today, I haven't got any views on that, Chris. If you become a member, I'll do a full back test review, all kinds of things for you. But I have to focus on my members. Have to get Sensei to look at it. Maybe bottomed, Chris. Indeed. What does the MF stand for, by the way? Chris Pickering MF. Always interested in that. What does that stand for? Oh, by the way, I did a bit of research on the membership. Some of you say it's difficult to do. And I wanted to just clarify a couple of things. If you're on an iOS device, there is no join button on the homepage. If you're on a computer or a computer, a laptop, a Android phone, there is a join button right here at the top on the memberships, and here there's a join button. It's not being shown for me because I am already I'm already a member of my own channel, so it's not showing. It is there if you're not a member. If you're on an iOS device, you don't see it. So what you do is you go to youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor, but you request, and it's very important, you request the desktop site, not the mobile site or the app, and there you see the join button. Very, very easy. So that's how you do it. I was checking into that because a few people have said I can't see it. Well, that's how you do it. Anyway. Okay, we've got 20 minutes to go. Now, this morning we are featuring one of our members. We're doing a bit more than you normally get for $10 super chat. If you want to sponsor the bell, the opening bell and the closing bell have your name on it and links on the screen. It's a $10 super chat. You need to give me a few days notice to do it. And today we are trying to help and support one of our members. It's a man from Earth. And I'll put his logo on the screen. And in a minute, we're going to see him ring the bell. There it is. Coup de kill. Even if you're not interested in what this has to offer, please go and have a look. Just click on the website. Click on the website. Help one of our members out. Because even if you go and have a look at the website, even if you don't buy anything, want anything, not interested, it helps his ranking. If we get everyone today to click on his website, it'll rank him up on Google, and that will help his business. And we will do that for you when you sponsor the bell. So there you go. And there's a vacation code here as well, a free vacation incentive to Florida. You can have a look at what he does, and this is one of our members. I like the color of this, by the way. It looks really smart. I like those trainers, as you call them, the sneakers in America. I love the color of those. It's quite smart, isn't it? Anyway, so yeah, go and check that out. There's his link. I've given it you in the chat, and help him rank up on Google. Would be great. Right, the overall markets are going down. I'm still beating Warren Buffett today, though. Virgin Galactic. There you go. Barcoding. What is barcoding? Barcoding is algo trading. That's what's going on right now. Don't try and do it. I've tried it and tested it. It doesn't work unless it goes up 2 or 3 cents. If it's going up 1 cent over and over again, the market makers, you'll always end up buying slightly more and selling slightly less. You'll never make any money on it. You don't have the technology to do it and the massive shares to do it, or you can't afford to do it. So we don't have the equipment to do that. I've tried it. I did it with Rolls Royce. It doesn't work. Gold, S&P, Amazon, Apple, Rumble, NEU, Enphase. 3% to go to start making money on Enphase. Now, you might go, well, why are you selling it? I've got a big enough position in my main account. I want to sell my Roth IRA to give myself some cash. Cash is always a good thing to have because a profit is a profit. I pay no tax on it. If I get a profit, I put some money in. I can buy it when it goes lower, improve my position, or buy something else which is lower with the profit I've made. All the time making a few dollars here and there. I mean, for example, I can buy Coca-Cola, which has now gone to another all-time low. So if today, and it's completely doable, if today we can get an 8% swing on Enphase, that really is doable. If we can get that, I will make a 5% profit. I can sell it, take the profit, and then I can buy Coca-Cola, which is now another all-time low. That's exactly what I want to do. I've still got my Enphase long-term position, right? Martin, when you have time in your busy schedule, could you take a look at Nordic Iron Ore AB for me? Henrik, yes, of course I can. You're one of my members. I will do that after we get into the show. It's a shorter show today, so I don't have as much time because I have to get off and make this Sir Richard Branson video. All right. I have a Richard Branson video coming out that you might all be interested in. Oh my gosh, Bill is back with his memberships. Gifted 5 Drillion Damage is here. This is what I said before. Look at this. We've got Drillion Damage, Toes, Martin Young, Kieran River Jones, Sushi Kumar have just won memberships. Look at that. Bill has just donated memberships. What a wonderful gesture, Bill. I can't believe it. He's back with his memberships. Bill, I will now tell you, let me share with you, this is a huge thing. I hope people renew their memberships. Here we go. Let's have a quick look. Let's celebrate it. More members. Very, very nice indeed. Right. There you go. We've now got... There you go. Drillion Damage has just become a member. There you go. Congratulations to you. Drillion Damage, you've just become a member. Congratulations to you. Absolutely wonderful stuff. And Sushi Kumar has also just become a member as well. Wonderful stuff. Look at that. You've become a member as well. Great. I think we got 5. Here we go. Kieran River Jones. We're giving away memberships today again. That's Kieran River Jones has just become a member. That was donated to you this morning from Bill, which is Bill is Shin Dynasty. There we go. And Toes has also won a membership this morning. Congratulations. There you go. Fantastic. Look at that. Absolutely great. Very, very nice indeed. And Martin Young has become a member. Absolutely wonderful stuff. Look at that. Wonderful. I think that is it. I think we've got everything in there, all the new members this morning. What a wonderful gesture that is from Bill this morning. Thank you very much indeed. All right. Very nice. Now then, Bill, I wanted to share this with you when you were here. So here is how many members we have right now. We have 202 members, up 33%. Members gained in the last 31 days, 94. And that's very, very nice of you. Now then, for those of you who have just won a membership, you get many, many perks and benefits to the show. First of all, the reason we have memberships is it supports the live shows. If you want to make money on YouTube, you make videos, and you might go live half an hour a day to engage with your audience. Not everybody does, but I do up to 10 hours a day. My main focus is not making videos, making money, even though I do that as well. It is to go live and build an audience. Now, the memberships is what funds the live shows, because I make no money from the live shows. All right. So that's why people become a member. Now, Bill has just paid for your membership. He has bought your membership, which is $2.99 per person. He has bought it for you because he wants to give you a gift, because he's a nice bloke. He also wants to support my channel and keep it live, and I appreciate that. Now, at the end of your 30 days, your membership will expire unless you renew it. And the choice is yours. But what I will tell you is this. You've now got a badge to recognize yourself as a member. You've got a blue badge. Eventually it will turn green and so on. If you win a membership today, you get all the perks and benefits apart from one thing. So as a YouTube member now, you get, first of all, you can ask me any question and I will answer it. I prioritize my members. For the time that you've got membership, you can see for the very first time all the members only live streams and the members only live chat. A lot of secrets were revealed here. Only members get to see these videos. So now you've got membership. Go and have a look behind the scenes when I was at the Virgin Orbit space station and all this kind of stuff. You get to see all of that behind the scenes of things that went wrong and all the rest of it. Okay, you can also ask me to poll the audience. Also, if you follow me on my social media, and all of my social media is here on my website, I will engage with all my members. I will help you grow on social media. I will reply to every question, and I mean personally reply to every question. Here's my links page, martynlucas.com/links. Scroll down, there's the newsletter. If you subscribe to my newsletter, you'll get a birthday card on your birthday, special little thing I'm working on, like a happy birthday video. Spaceport. I know you keep telling me that. I apologize. If you scroll down here, you can see all my social media and all the different things, and I will engage with you on all of these. Comment. Now, if you want answers to questions, you're going to get them. If you want to grow your social media, you will grow, because the best way to grow a social media account is have a channel that's doing well with lots of followers engage with you. It helps you, it promotes you, and I will tag you in viral posts and help you. Also, what you get as a member is you get a birthday video on your birthday, the day before, the day of, or the day after. And you can donate it to a family member. This is my music channel. People pay me $500 to make them a birthday videogram. Okay? You get it for free as a member. If you ever go silver, you can have a 20-minute fundraiser or a 20-minute concert for a wedding or a birthday, anniversary, whatever. And every Friday, you can request songs in our Friday live show. Here's this Friday's show. You can be there, request songs. So this is my music channel. If you go and subscribe to my music channel, you can hear all my music. And as I say, I will do a birthday for you live in the show. If it's your birthday, yesterday, today, or tomorrow, for you or a loved one, you can donate it. Okay. There are many other perks as well that you get. We have members only live streams, members only chats, and so on and so forth. But also you get access to all behind the scenes information regarding the stocks, what people are buying before they're buying it, all the information, the reviews, discounts to Sensei services. All of these things are all below the video in the description. The only thing I can't the only thing, oh my gosh, the only thing I can't do is give you, look at this. Bill, look at what Bill has done. Look at what Bill has done. I can't believe it. The only thing that you don't get is access to Discord yet. You can get to Discord, but I can't upgrade you until your badge turns green. Wow, look at this, folks. We've got to celebrate. Look at this. James has become a new member. Absolutely fantastic. Look at that. We've got time before the bell goes. Now, all of you can access Discord now as a member. However, I won't upgrade you to the full service until you turn green next month. If you do, come back next month if you renew it, and then I can give you the inside track to all the traders and investors. There is Discord. All of you now can click on that, sign up for our free Discord access. All right, you can get our free Discord access. I just can't upgrade you to a full YouTube member until you upgrade from blue to green. MS has become a member thanks to Bill. Look at that. Absolutely fantastic. Amazing. Thank you, Bill. We've got a few members here to welcome in. And also, we'll fly the flag for you as well. What country are you in? We'll fly the flag. Here is all the countries. We have 41 members, 41 countries around the world. Here are all the countries. DeWold Voslu has just become a member. There we go. Fantastic. Look at this. Send one my way. Moy Guzman. There we go. Who else have we got here? B. Joel has just become a member. There you go. I think Bill is now an investor in the Martyn Lucas Investor Channel. Give him some shares. He can. There are shares. You can be an investor in the channel. It's the top membership. And there's also NFTs you can own as well if you want shares in my channel. As my channel grows, you will get benefits and perks. I think we got a couple more members. We got 5 minutes before the bell goes. But Edward Cox has just become a member. There we go, Edward Cox. Congratulations to you. Fantastic. Anybody on YouTube now, join in. You're missing out on all the YouTube memberships we're giving away. Well, in fact, we're not giving them away. They're being bought for you by Bill. Nando Tar has just won a membership. Look at that. I'm from India, Bill. Where is my flag? R3A. We've got a member from India. Sam Brode has become a member. Martin, my flag. All right, you've just won your membership. I'll come back to you in a moment. And awesome stuff. Really good. What else have we got? We've got a couple more members to do. Let me have a look. I think we got a couple more members to celebrate. This is incredible stuff. And then we'll look at the flags. We have got to ring the bell though, so and get down to trading in a few moments' time. But I think we might have a couple more memberships to celebrate before we do, and then we'll do the countries. Moy Guzman says, send one my way. It's random. It picks people randomly in the chat. I think that might be it. We might have got through it all now. I thought there was a few more. I think there is. I think that's it for the minute. We'll just come off that just a second. I think we've covered them all. You never know. Anyway, now then, if you became a member today, and again, if you want your flag, you have to renew the membership next month, okay? Because these are permanent upgrades. If we give you the flag, we never take it away. So if you win a membership today, we're not going to give you the flag until you turn your membership green. You are blue. If you renew it next month, we will fly the flag for you. But because you won it, we don't upgrade you to Discord fully straight away, and we don't give you the flag straight away. You have to upgrade next month to do that. If you do that, then you will get access to the YouTube membership upgrade on YouTube, and you'll also get the flag, because that is a permanent perk. The flag is a permanent perk. We never take your country flag away for you for showing support to the channel. Okay, so I've got no one from India. I would love to add one for India. I just can't do it yet until you turn green next month. If you renew your membership, the choice is yours if you want to do that. All right, okay. Bill, sincere thank you to you for supporting the channel and giving. So, oh, he's done 5 more. We got 2 minutes to go. He's done 5 more. Let's see who wins them now. Let's see who wins them now. We've got a couple more just come on in. I cannot believe it. He's done 5 more. We've got Kidakazi has just won 1. Stephen Dupe has won 1. This too shall pass has won 1. Nihundo Lofi has won 1. Siju Valkala has just won 1 as well. Good morning. Look at that. Fantastic. With 66 people, must be nearly every person now is a member. There's 67 people in the stream, and Bill is becoming the star of our show this morning. Incredible stuff. 1 minute to go. I've got to get out of here. It's time to ring the bell. Here we go. We're counting down. 1 minute to go. Here we go. It's time to ring the bell. This morning, the bell is sponsored by a man from Earth. Here we go. A man from Earth has sponsored the bell this morning. As you can see, just a few moments to go now before we ring the bell. It's sponsored this morning by a man from Earth. Here we go. We'll talk about him again in the show. Just a few seconds to go. If you want to sponsor the bell, it's a $10 super chat. You can sponsor the bell. We get everyone to click on your website, go and check you out and all that great stuff. All right, just 15 seconds to go now. Coming up to, here we go. A few seconds to go now. All right, I'm going to take the clock off the screen. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A man from Earth has sponsored the bell this morning. You too can sponsor the bell and have your name and business promoted on the show. This is our sponsor of the bell this morning. Even if you're not interested in this service, please do go and check it out, because you are supporting one of our members. We all support our members, because if everybody today clicks on his website, even if you don't want the apparel, even if you don't want the free vacation incentive, all of these wonderful gifts from our sponsor this morning, you can help this one of our members rank up on Google, and then when, of course, it comes your turn to sponsor your business, your channel, your website, whatever it is, we'll all do the same for you. So please, I've given you the links in the chat. Go and at least just click on the website. Let's rank him up, and I'm sure he'll tell me in a couple of days that either he sold some merchandise or he got some of these giveaways for our members on his incentives for the holiday. Also, he will say, I've ranked up on Google and we're getting more views to the website. There we go. Fantastic. We'll ring the bell again this afternoon. Bill. Wow, says, Senor Beladilalt, I am from India, Bill. Where is my flag? R3A, if you turn your free membership from blue to green next month, I will give you the flag. But you have to, you don't get it on the free first month. You have to renew for that, because it's a permanent feature that I give to you. I think we are getting a merger and acquisition from Bill. Share prices are going to rise through the roof. Jordan Allen. Faith, Turkey. Is that Turkey? I think that is. Again, we can if you become a member. Faith, if you become a member yourself, you can have all the benefits straight away. But if you renew it, then you can get it as well. Bill, me too. Let's go for all the shares. Let's see what's moving up. Jason, good morning. Fantastic. Bill, this is like the lottery. Bill, Billy, there we go. Oi, oi, oi. Paul, I tried. He did. There's only a couple of people left who are not members now. Nearly every single person who's watching is a member. Baron Hanley, good morning to you. Moses has risen, Jordan Allen. It's random. It is random. Baron Hanley, hello Martin. Hello, how are you this morning? Raman, good morning to you. Moses has risen indeed. Go Bill. A man from Earth, thank you. You're very, very welcome. My pleasure. Tesla, let's look at it. Space down hard. Let's have a look. Here we go. Virgin Galactic's barcoding now. I've got a video coming out this morning about Sir Richard Branson, what he's doing with Virgin Galactic. Oh yes, I have got a video coming out this morning. Let's go through all our positions. 166 heading down to 150. Palantir is down, gold is down, S&P is down, pushing up. Amazon is down. We got more members. Faith, you have just won a membership. MWC, you've won a membership. Nayar, you've won a membership. Keen Williams and Akshay has won a membership. Our guest from Russia this morning. How are you this morning? Hi, Martin. I'm happy to be a member now. Thanks, Bill. Wanted to ask, you have mentioned a goal of 4,000 Galactic shares a few times. Why 4,000? Because that would be the right balance for my portfolio. That's why. No other reason than that. If my portfolio was twice as big. Faith has just become a member. Congratulations to Faith. You are now a member of the channel. There you go, Faith. Very nice indeed. Apple is going down. Rumble is going down. Rumble is going to zero, in my opinion. NEE is going down. Enphase is going down. Akshay has just become a member. Thanks to Bill. Coca-Cola now down at 56. You've got to be buying Coca-Cola down here. J&J going down. Kenvue going down. CVX going down. Tesla. Opportunity, Nyan Gamer has gone down as well. Nyan Gamer is a member. Hit the like button. If you hit the like button, you're more likely to win the memberships. They're being given out today. Incredible stuff. Nearly every single person today is a member. Rivian is going up. McDonald's, BWC Drain Cleaning is just become a member of the channel. Absolutely awesome stuff. Bill is being so generous this morning. I think there's two people who are not a member now. Keen Williams has become a member. Congratulations to you. Microsoft going down. Walmart is up. Tesco's going down. Tilray going up. Robinhood going up. But down. IonQ down but going up. Rocket Lab 0.93% to go before we can make another trade with Rocket Lab. Plug, I've lowered my average, I've doubled my position. Procter & Gamble down but going up. Funware going up. FFIE rubbish going to zero. Rio Tinto going up. Bitcoin is down today slightly. Polygon is down very slightly. Who's going to win the stock race this morning? Is it Warren Buffett? Is it Martyn Lucas? Or is it the S&P 500? And the answer to that question, let's have a quick look, is the winner today is... Looks like the winner today is the S&P. I am beating Warren Buffett, as you can see just there, but I'm just behind the S&P 500. All right, fantastic. The Roth IRA is doing okay. The main account down again today, but I'm just behind Warren Buffett and the S&P there today. Stock market looking rough this morning. It's September. It's always like this. Now then, there are, I think, a couple of memberships left to claim. How do you claim them? It's the people who are most engaged on the stream who win. So this is what we do. We've got 66 watching. You can see we've got 40 likes. Let me share with you on the screen. So you can see 66 watching and 40 likes, which is phenomenal. We've got like 75% of you, or 70% thereabouts, have liked the video. We do get 99.5% like rate. However, a lot of people aren't signed in. That's why you can't win memberships or you can't like or engage or whatever. So if you can tap the like button, it really, really helps. Then you're more likely to win one. If you tap the like button, what it means is YouTube is more likely to suggest my content to you tomorrow. Breaking news, things that you want to see. I've got the Virgin Galactic interview with Richard Branson coming out this morning. I'm putting it together now. You want to see that. And you'll be notified if you've tapped the like button and you've subscribed to the channel. If you don't like my content, and that's fine, I might not like you, tap the down like button and you won't be shown my content anymore. That's the point of doing that. 64 watching and 40 likes. Thank you ever so much, everyone who did that. If you want a membership, please do thank Bill. He just bought you a membership out of his own hard-earned money. He's a war veteran, he's on a pension, and he just bought lots of you memberships. So please do thank Bill for doing that. It's extremely generous for Bill. And you get all the perks and benefits other than the flag and the upgrade on Discord until you turn your badge from blue to green. Okay, so make sure that you do that when it needs to be renewed. You can go into the membership and make sure that's already turned on if you want that. All right, thank you ever so much, everyone who tapped the like button. Right, we're now beating, we're coming up, we're just about beating Warren Buffett there for a moment. Virgin Galactic is now up 0.6. Up again from the barcoding. PLTR, gold, the S&P, Amazon, Apple, Rumble. I don't see it as a buy now. Next Era Energy, down 9%. Hi, Martyn Lucas. Hara, good morning to you. Good morning, Lucas. Welcome to you. SPY is going up. Now then, we are giving out a cash prize on Sunday on Sensei's show. He started it last week. It's becoming a weekly $10 giveaway. Every Sunday, Sensei is giving away on his show a $10 cash prize. It's free to enter, free for all. You don't need to be a member. It's live on the show. He's giving it out. He's paying it out live on the show on Sunday. Live on Sunday. Okay? So here it is. Here's Sunday's show. How do you enter the giveaway? Does anybody here like to enter the giveaway for Sunday and you'd like a free entry? If you would like some free tickets to enter to win a $10 cash prize on Sunday and every Sunday, just ask me in the chat and I will tell you how you can get your free tickets right today, right now. This is a show on Sunday. If you are not entered yet and you want to be in our free cash giveaway every Sunday on Sensei's show, 3 p.m. Central, 9 p.m. UK time, you can win a $10 cash prize on his show. If you would like to be in it and you're not in it, ask me in the chat and I will tell you how I will give you free tickets right now to be entered into that draw. If you'd like it, just ask. I'm not going to go into it if nobody asks you because you may already be involved. Same with everybody on Rumble, all of you watching on Rumble. If you want to be in on my giveaway as well, every Sunday on the show, ask me in the chat and I will gladly give you the information. All right, then, let's have a quick look. We've got to end the show in a few minutes' time because I'm putting together a video with Sir Richard Branson on Virgin Galactic. Very, very important video. And I'm working on it now. I want to thank Mike. And I ask all the members every morning, pop in the breakfast bar. We are just a few away now from becoming a public Discord channel, which will help us grow, learn more information, get more great information from people around the world. if you are if you've won memberships today, or you want to, you can access Discord. It's completely free for everyone. There is Discord. However, if you want to be upgraded, you need to turn your blue badge to green next month, and we'll upgrade you as a YouTube member. And go into our welcome all, say hello. Every morning we have the breakfast bar, as you can see. Pop in with a picture of your coffee, your tea, what you're doing. Any stock news, share it with us. It does provide information for the show, crypto news, ask the family a question, all of these things, and we will answer them. Please do go and look at the questions and reply to people and support them. And, the Discord is a very useful platform for us. Okay. Now then, what's going on with Space Green Day? Is something wrong? No, nothing is wrong at all. It's the very opposite. It's good, of course. But I told you, I've got a video coming out today, an interview with Sir Richard Branson, and you want to see it, okay? So I've got to end the show very quickly and get on to this very, very important video. All right. So have we got any questions before we go? We are now seeing a bounce on Virgin Galactic. I'm holding my position. I'm now beating Warren Buffett and just about to beat the S&P. Virgin Galactic's going up. Palantir's going up. Gold's coming back up. S&P still going down. Amazon still going down. Apple going down. Oh, I think my coffee's just arrived. Thank you, Leah. How are you? All right, Rumble's going up, but I'm out of it. I don't believe in that kind of stock anymore. Next year, energy down 9%. I'm buying more of that. Enphase Energy trying to break out. Coca-Cola $56. Come on, space. All right. Okay. Now then, we're not going to do day trader of the day. We're going to end the stream very, very quickly because I've got to complete this important interview with Richard Branson and get it out to you today. So come on, space. It's up 2.5% now. Right. Okay. Let me check all my positions. Rocket Lab. Now then, if you want to, Rocket Lab, is that going up as well? Yes, at the same time. Why do you not like Rumble stock now? I explained it in my video, why I don't like Rumble stock. It makes no sense at all. I explained it if you go to the homepage and you look at my latest Rumble videos, Rumble and Rumbled, these two videos here about Rumble, why I'm not in the stock, why I don't believe in the stock. You can learn from these videos or my opinions on them. All right. And I back it up with lots of evidence as well. So SPRY 14% up, says George Otterty. Very nice indeed. Virgin Galactic is up today, 2.33. It's not a short squeeze, but it's good. It's good. Can't wait for the video. All right. I'm going to have to go and put this video together. Any questions before I go? Now, if you want to see the video, and some of you missed the videos, this is how you see it. And you can all check now if you've got this. Here is my subscribe page. Click on subscribe and you can unsubscribe just to check. Click on subscribe and see, you can unsubscribe, see the little bell, make sure it's set to all. Notifications are turned on all. You'll also need to go into your device and, turn YouTube notifications on if you don't have them on or whatever. And you'll be notified of when I go live, when I bring out videos. If you think you missed them, then that's how to get notified. All right. Okay. I think we're good. I'm going to get off. So I want to thank everyone this morning for being part of the show. I've got some very important videos to do with Virgin Galactic. Have we got any questions to answer? Is there any reason for space being up? Yes, there is. And I've got to get the video done. All right. Any last questions before I go and get to work on these videos? No? Okay. Fantastic. We're going to roll the credits. We're going to get out of here because I've got some very important videos to put out with Virgin Galactic, and I'll see you back as soon as they're done. They will be out, so look out for that. All right, let's roll the credits, and I'll see you back as quickly as I get this finished. Let's have a look at the credits this morning. Thanks for your support. Members, we've got lots of new members. Toes, Drillian Damash, Martin Young, Kieran River Jones, Sushil Kumar, R3A, James, Nandu Tar, MS, Bijol, AT, Sam Broad, DeWald Voslu, Edward Cox, Daryl Harbert, This Too Shall Pass, Siju Varkala, Nihondo Lofi, Stephen DeHoop, Kitty Kaza, Faith, BWC Drain Cleaning, Nayan Gamer, Keen Williams, and Akshay. Don't forget, if you upgrade to silver, we can put you on the homepage of the channel. You've got a great opportunity now to do that because you've had your membership paid for. All you've got to do is was a good time to take profits to buy your computer. Absolutely right. That's why I did it. I trimmed off the top. Sensei, you're absolutely right. We're going sideways now, and we will do to the end of the year. September's a bad month. December's tax season. We'll start seeing the next rally in January. We want to be building up cash unless a stock goes significantly lower. And that's stable. Like if we can get Coca-Cola for an all-time low, and for us an all-time low, not for the stock itself. You understand what I'm saying? All right, Virgin Galactic's now up 268. We got some really good news. Sensei, do you want to call in and be on the video? I'm putting together the video right now. Are you available to call in, do some charts for me? I'm recording a Virgin Galactic video now. I've got some information from Sir Richard Branson that everybody wants to hear. It's really, really good news, and it's why the stock price is going up. Anyway, if you're available, I've got to go. I've got to get it put together. I've got people screaming at me on X now. This information needs to come out. So I will see you all back in a bit. Thank you for all your love and support. And Sensei, if you are available, just let me know before the end of the song, because I'm going to be out of here very, very quickly. All right, that's it from me. Thank you ever so much indeed. See you all back in a bit. Have a wonderful afternoon. Be safe. Take care of your money, your crypto, yourselves. Most importantly, take care of each other. Go Virgin Galactic. Bye-bye.